In this video, we're going to learn how to use the hand tool for timeline navigation, which means moving around your timeline without affecting any clips. When you zoom in closely to make precise cuts, you may not see the entire timeline. Instead of zooming out, you can use the hand tool to scroll across your project. Let's start. Go to the toolbar near the timeline and select the hand tool. The icon looks like a small hand. You can also press the H key on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Now click and drag inside the timeline. As you drag left or right, the timeline view moves accordingly. Your clips do not move, only your view of the timeline shifts. This tool is especially useful when you are zoomed in and need to navigate to another section without changing your zoom level. You can also temporarily access the hand tool by holding certain navigation shortcuts depending on your setup. But pressing H is the most direct method. The hand tool does not edit, trim, or move clips. It only helps you navigate your timeline smoothly. And that's it. You now know how to use the hand tool for easy timeline navigation in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.